What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I have an urgent warning right now in the charts which you really need to see. This is not a joke at all, guys. Look at this. Back here in exactly March of 2022, after we came down from the all-time high right there, we got rejected from the 200 daily moving average, exactly here where this arrow is. Then following that, a massive 63% dump occurred after the rejection of that 200-day moving average. Once again, the same thing is happening right now, guys. After the all-time high, which we just saw back here in October, we are seeing a rejection once again from this 200 daily moving average, potentially pushing the price all the way down here to 30,000 US dollars. Now, I don't think that is going to happen, but in today's video, I'm going to explain exactly what I do think is going to happen, because right now we are seeing a breakdown from this symmetrical triangle right there. We are also confirming the breakout right here of this rising wedge with a price target all the way down here at 65,000 US dollars. Guys, we have a lot to cover in today's video. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. If you do have 2 seconds spare, guys, slap this video with a like, and if you've got another 2, maybe 3 seconds spare, drop a comment down below, and it's going to enter you to win $100 every single Monday. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack sharing his journey in crypto. If you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. Guys, we need to jump into the charts right now because this is absolutely crazy. We are seeing a rejection from the 200 daily moving average. Look right here. This is a very clear rejection right now, in my opinion, and it could be the start of something very dangerous for the Bitcoin price. I want to talk about that in today's video, guys, because you're not going to believe these price targets which I showed you in the start of the video. So as we can see back here, all the way back here, when times were a little bit better, even though the price was a little bit lower, we still had a little bit of hope. We can see an exact rejection right here from this level right here, from the 200 daily moving average. And where did we go? We dropped all the way down here, guys, to all the way down here to $17,000 from approximately $15,000. And this was in fact confirming that the bull market is in fact over. We saw the rejection from this 200 daily moving average. And once again, we can see we had an all-time high right there, exactly right there. We had an all-time high exactly right there. We saw a dump and a relief rally. We saw a dump and a dump right there and a relief rally, and then a further dump and a relief rally, then a further dump and then a relief rally, then the rejection of the 200 daily moving average, then the rejection of the 200 daily moving average, and further a dump into the bear market lows, down here. Not necessarily at these level right there. However, I think it could be somewhere in the range of $46,000 to $58,000. Not only that, guys, but if we remove all these drawings on the chart right now and we go to this chart right here on the hourly chart, we can see we have in fact have a confirmed break of this symmetrical triangle right here, which I was talking about in yesterday's video, and we are seeing a dump down here to around 79k, below 80k. And if we can see, if we take the measured move right here from the symmetrical triangle, it would give us a target at approximately 77,500 US dollars. And if we zoom out on the 4-hourly chart right here, we can very much see we are well and truly, in my opinion, back in this territory of this bear flag right here, which everyone is talking to. And the target for this bear flag, at least in the short term, is down here at 70k. And the more bearish target for this bear flag is down here at $40,000. Now, I don't think Bitcoin will hit $40,000 in my opinion, guys. However, it is very, very interesting to see. And also on this chart right here, guys, there has been a break from this rising wedge. As I've been talking about so many times, be careful, the Bitcoin price is going to break down. Yesterday's video, guys, I even said, no, it's happening now. And this video performed really, really well. And hopefully if you saw that video, and you can see the thumbnail exactly here, I was showing you what is going to happen, and exactly that happened. We saw that breakdown. Now we are in this level. The only thing I'm concerned about is this CME gap. We did not break the CME gap. It's not the end of the world, because we don't have to break it. We can break it in next year when we go into a bull market and we push above 84K. However, this is very, very dangerous right now, guys. Of course, you know the implications of breaking this rising wedge. It's a bearish pattern. If we do see it play out, we will see a target of the start of the wedge right here down at 65,000 US dollars, potentially being the low of Bitcoin. Again, I think it will be a little bit lower in my opinion though. I am still in my trade, guys. Again, negative 10K. Previously, it was a lot worse. And we've actually seen a break of this line right here, which I've been talking about. I've been talking about this UBIT chart, which I've been showing you, saying that there will be a retracement down to this level. Of course, look how much price action there is right here in this level. Of course, there will be a breakdown to it. We've seen this breakdown, and now we're going to see probably a break towards the downside. I am still in my trade. Yes, it's in a loss. However, this is a longer term trade. I'm not playing this trade to get in and get a quick 1-2K profit. No, I want this to be a multi-$100,000 trade, and I can in fact deploy more capital if I do see the time is right. Guys, if you did want to go ahead and trade on UBIT right now, you can go down below today's video. This $1,000 trade has actually expired, unfortunately, so I will update my description after this, but there is a new offer where you deposit $100 and you get $100 to trade with. It's a really great offer from a no KYC exchange like UBIT. I'm trading on them. I've got a large balance and I will be deploying it very, very shortly when I see the right time. However, if you did want to get a better entry point than I have for a short position, you can see my entry point right here on the screen. I'm not hiding anything. If I get liquidated, if I make $10 million, $20 million, I will show you everything on this channel, guys. 100% transparency. I'm in a loss right now. You can see my entry price at about 77K, and you can get a better entry price at 79K if you did want to. So the links are down below, guys. I want to quickly talk about this, guys, because right now we are seeing record leverage levels in the market. According to the data, the leverage positions on a Bitcoin have reached an all-time high. We can see right here an absolute all-time high for leverage positions, and the price is only down here. People are betting big on Bitcoin. Are you one of them? Take 2 seconds out of your day after you slapped your face for not shorting and slap the like button. Take another 2 seconds to drop a comment down below. It's going to enter you to win $100. It's a win-win. And I would love to know, are you long? Are you short? What do you think is going to happen? Take a few seconds. I'm probably one of the few YouTubers that actually reads every comment and replies to every comment as well, unlike a lot of people in the space. So I do really take the time out of my day to reply to your messages and comments down below. This is a little bit of a warning sign. There could be a massive move coming. And if we take a look at that massive move, well, right here, it would suggest, looking at this liquidation heat map, there is the most amount of leverage right here in this 77K range. So it would suggest that we are going down to that 77K, exactly confirming on the hourly chart this breakout right here. As again, we can see, we can take the measured move right here from this level right there, and it would take us down to 77,600, perfectly matching this level right there on the liquidation leverage. So be very careful if you are trading in the charts. Of course, keep the notification bell on my channel if you did want to get updates about what is going on. I'm posting every single day, guys, an update about crypto. Yes, sometimes the thumbnails may be a bit misleading. Yes, sometimes the things right here, the captions, danger coming, danger now. Of course, it's YouTube. That's the game you have to play. But if you look past that, you get into the content. I really tried to put the most effort into my content I've ever put in 8 years on the channel. So I really would appreciate a like down below. Again, we're going to see the price bouncing down here. What do I think is going to happen in the next few days? Well, I think we're going to see some kind of a bounce on this level, of course, and then potentially even a rejection even further, hitting that price target at about 77K. I am a little bit cautious, again, guys, about that CME gap up there, about that golden pocket right there. I am a little bit cautious because I don't think it's out of play. This is a strong level of magnetization right here, if that's even a word. Up here, the golden pocket, the 0.618 and the 0.65 on the Fibonacci is a massive level of attraction. And of course, the top of the CME gap at 84K. Again, we closed the CME gap at $18,200, which I was talking about in yesterday's video. So that is good. Guys, if you're bullish, if you're bearish, if you're long, if you're short, let me know down below. It will enter you to win that $100. Again, I'm still in my trade. If you did want to join me, there is a link down below. And please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. And if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with any of my content or my links. Thanks so much for watching, guys. It's a really interesting time in crypto right now. If you are still in crypto, you haven't left, you're going to be rewarded heavily by these short opportunities right here and by lower buying opportunities. So keep that in mind, guys. It's not all doom and gloom if the price is going down. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.